This screencast explains some of our website tools inside a particular course. At the very top of the page, on the right side, is the user's individual information. Clicking your name or photo opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options for your personal preferences. The main body of the page is titled with the course you are in, with a sub-menu revealing where you are in relation to the entire site. Below this is the title defining the texts and purports included in that course. In this case, First Canto, Chapters 1 and Chapter 2 through Text 15 will be covered. Each month of our Srimad Bhagavatam study includes 8 lessons, which are listed similar to a table of contents. Each one of these lessons remains hidden from view until the date we begin studying it. At that time, you can see the elements of each lesson, which usually comprises 3 features: a booklet, the forum, and an option to download the audio readings of texts and purports in that booklet. An easy option as we first begin is to go to Lesson 1 and click the booklet title, Chapter 1, Questions by the Sages, to enter that lesson. Once inside a booklet, you'll see the main course materials, which include the texts and purports for that lesson. On the first page, there is also a podcast icon. Clicking this opens a new window taking you to the audio reading of the texts and purports in that booklet, so you can also listen at your convenience while walking, driving, doing chores, etc. Study each book carefully. Take time to digest the material. We suggest chanting japa while meditating upon these topics. Srimad Bhagavatam is the literary incarnation of God, so chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra while meditating upon these topics enhances both one's chanting and elevates our consciousness to the transcendental plane by fixing the mind on topics of the Lord, rather than thinking of material things while chanting. After studying the booklet, there are 2 ways to access the forums section to share your realizations, ask questions, and discuss topics in that booklet. One path is to go to the last page in the booklet titled Lesson Meditation, scroll down to the orange text, and click that, which opens a new window to the forums section. Another path is to directly access the forum from the course homepage. Simply click the forum heading, and this will also bring you to the forum page.